Welcome to our chat show. Accompanied by Mr. Sabir Pawar, we have Arpit Srivastava. What new skill will SEO team needs to elevate as AI keeps evolving?
I would say that LLM platform has a curse. And then the curse is the idea of being average. All the platforms have been trained with all the data that resides in the internet. That means the thing that it supports is generally work to be average. So unless you have direct connection with people who are above average, you will still remain average. You're always average of 5 people around you. So that people aspect matters. It matters with whom you are spending time. So those are like great skills to develop beside learning new tools, which is great, knowing more about AI, which is great. Even if you're an introvert, now you have a AI copilot with whom we can always talk. So that is our engine that now you have. But at the same time, real people matters.